Hi, I'm Todd Jordan, Managing Director with Hedgeye Risk Management, and I'm sitting with newest member of our team, David Benz, who just joined me on the Gaming, Lodging, and Leisure team. Welcome, David.
Thank you.
So, big topic today, and that's Macau gaming stocks. Now, Macau is the largest gaming market in the world by far. Everybody's focused on it. Everybody's worried. Stocks are down, in the past month or so?
25%.
25%. That would be Las Vegas Sands, Wynn Resorts, very large companies. We both have talked a little bit about this, but we figured we'd do more of this on camera. So, David, tell me what's going on with these stocks.
Well, we sort of had the perfect setup here in March. We had a strong February combined with a decent January. We had revenues up big. Everybody believed that strength would continue. And stocks were priced for perfection, in our opinion. And we've since had a slowdown in the gaming revenues, a slowdown in credit, a slowdown in visitation.
Right. And we were, just a little context here, we were very bullish up until those February numbers came out, and it seemed like to us that we'd only see deceleration. Not that business was bad, but we'd see March and April slow down. We've certainly seen that. We didn't expect the stocks to go down this much. But what's interesting to us is that the setup here looks, now with the stocks down so much, we're seeing a big May coming up, right?
Yes, we believe that we're poised for a rebound. We expect gaming revenue in Macau to be up 20+%.
All right, coming off of a 13% March, a probably high single digits,
exactly.
in April. So pretty good setup here. We're not ready to jump on board yet. We still have earnings coming out, which we think will be kind of lackluster. And when I say lackluster, that's after all the estimates have come up. And then following that point, as we get into May, we might have the low point in terms of sentiment. So Macau, that's one sector we're interested in. The other one is hotels. The hotel business, we think worldwide, is actually quite a good business. David and I agree on that. Pretty high barriers to entry for the brand companies such as Starwood, which owns Westin, and Sheraton, Hilton Hotels, Marriott. But we've also seen some weakness in those stocks as well.
Yes, we have. We've had if you take a look at the year-over-year calendar here in the month of April, we've had a calendar year shift versus the calendar year last year where we had Easter and the Jewish holidays in the month of March. This year, those holidays fall in the month of April. So we've seen a shift in the calendar, and as a result, weakness in this year's numbers.
Yeah, and you can see it on our chart. We actually model RevPAR, which is revenue per available room, which is basically occupancy rate times average daily rate. And we saw that April would probably be pretty soft. We think May, again, similar to like Macau, without the volatility, you should see a rebound in May as well.
Yes, we're expecting RevPAR to pick up 6 to 7-ish%.
Which, when you think about it, is for a consumer sector, which is
good business.
Classified as very good numbers, much faster growth in the consumer space. Why do you think that is?
It tends to be driven by the business traveler.
Right.
Corporate profitability has been strong thus far this year. It looks like it's going to continue to be strong through the rest of this year. We haven't seen any slowdown in group bookings. The calendar just feels strong, looks strong. Group bookings remain strong. There has been pretty good growth in airline capacity as well.
It's funny how it gets classified as consumer sector when it does have some leisure component to it, but it's probably less than 50%. Mm-hmm. Actually, a really good business long term, and any evidence that the consumer is softening certainly has an impact on these big branded companies, but they've got this cushion with this long business cycle, especially with the convention business, which you book years in advance. So just two sectors that we follow very closely, Macau gaming, the largest gaming market in the world, and the hotel business, both setting up for maybe a positive pivot to the upside as we get closer to May. Again, I'm Todd Jordan. My Twitter handle is Hedgeye, and with David Benz, thanks for watching.